This is a 7.3 out of a 2003 F350. We have it out of the truck right now to put a new oil pan on it. So this is underneath. Kind of cool. It was leaking, so pulled it out of the truck, and while it's out, doing a few things. Painted up the valve cover. The valve cover's off on this side. Doing new glow plugs, new under valve cover wiring harness, and valve cover gasket. It's easier to do than while it's in the truck. I'm going to do a fuel system. So the fuel bowl is going to be out of this one. We're going to do a regulated return. You can see the old fuel lines are off. It's going to be so much easier while it's out of the truck. Got belted up pipes on this one, otherwise now would be a perfect time to replace those. Got a EVPV delete turbo pedestal in here already, otherwise would now be a perfect time to do those as well. Got plenium reinforcements in here from riffraff, you can see, and new boots on there already, otherwise now would be a perfect time to do those as well. But I just wanted to show you the engine out of the truck and kind of get a more up close understanding, kind of see how everything's routed. Might delete this exhaust back pressure sensor as well because it's no longer needed for the EVPV on the turbo. But this is not my engine, this is my brother's engine, so that'll be his choice. Got the water pump still fine. It has a billet outlet on it, which is fantastic if you have ever had water pump leaks out of the top of this. You know what a pain that pressed ones can be. Did a new oil cooler seals while it was out. So easy, it feels like cheating. Did the seals on these high pressure oil rails. 67 foot-pounds, I think, something like that, and red Loctite 277. So those two, and then these two, because they're leak points. Had a high pressure oil rail crossover here, and I think he's planning to delete that just to clear up some room, and I don't think they really do that much anyway. This little bolt right here sheared off, that side and this side. So we're gonna get that taken care of. Fortunately, they were loose enough, they just came right out. Gonna do those things and then stuff this motor back inside.